Hi there! Today we are going to wire up a device that turns on the lights when we walk past it. And one of them is a passive infrared, aka PIR sensor. The basic working principle is that these react to temperature changes in its field of view. They don't require a lot of wiring and save a lot of labor by making things work automatically and consume very little power, not to mention saving money. They also have applications in security or robotics, but what we are interested in today is how it will turn on the light fixtures. The PIR sensor is maybe 11 centimeters wide in diameter with a plastic base for ceiling or wall mounting. We can see that wiring it will not be a problem, and the whole thing works on 3 wires. The brown phase wire will be getting power and the blue neutral wire will be connected to the neutral terminal. This will ensure the operation of the PIR sensor. As soon as it detects motion, it will electricity into the lamp along the red wire. To test this, we will again use my friend, the bulb with the socket. So this black wire is going from our plug, we will put in the socket. It will be our still power source. Neutral wire is connected in neutral terminal, also with the neutral wire from the PIR sensor, and with neutral wire from the light bulb, and the hot wire from light bulb will go to the red wire. When the motion is detected through the circuits inside, it goes to red wire, through the brown wire to light bulb, and consequently it will switch on the light. Of course, put the ground together. Each device of this type will have 2 wheels on it, one to set the time and therefore how long the light will stay on, and the other wheel labeled lux, which we use to adjust the intensity of light at which the lamp will light up. Since I need light to shoot video, I set it to turn on in daylight. So as you can see, let's put time to minimum, it will be maybe 10 seconds. And the lux, can you see the sign of the sun here? Turn it to the left, we got it. So let's put our plug into the socket. Everything works as it should. It's really nothing complicated and you have hopefully learned something new. I'll just mention that the sensor has a 360-degree angle of view and can switch devices up to 1200 watts of power, which is quite sufficient for lights. We can also use it to switch fans, for example. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you around.